path to heaven. This is a path leading to my piece of heaven. Dun, dun, dun. Right there, the dark green jungle, the messy jungle is my heaven, my garden. So let's see. It's all different shades of green, 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 green. These are the new babies that came in yesterday. Hello there, you guys. Just look at this green jungle. This is my crazy garden. Seriously, this garden represents me. It's crazy, it's wild, it doesn't care about anyone else, it just does what it wants to do. And look at these. My plants are growing all over the place, striving hard, thriving, surviving with very little support, as you can see. Look at the stakes. The stakes are falling. These are just some amateur stakes put in there, but the plants, they're falling all over the place. They have very less support, yet they're very, very resilient. Totally representative of what I am. I'm a very resilient person. The support that I have in my life is just like this. Shaky stakes, shaky support. Minimal support, not reliable support. Yet I thrive, I strive, I survive, and I do awesome. Okay, the green jungle, the green rainforest. That's what it looks like to me, like a huge rainforest. Just rainforest with some kind of fruit here. What would be special is if I see some monkeys jumping up and down in this rainforest, that would be really cool. Look at these. Yay! I think these are Roma tomatoes. But look what I'm going to show you. Oh, hey. Oh, look at those. Look at those babies. Oh, my cucumber babies. Oh, yay. There's more. There's more cucumbers. Maybe. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, there's so many over here. Oh, you see that? You see that? Over there? Oh, yay. Look at the cucumbers. Oh, seriously, you guys are fantastic, guys. I just love how you guys are thriving with that. Me doing a whole lot for you guys. Tomatoes, a different kind. I don't know what they are, but I think they're like the regular tomatoes that you buy in the store. Hi there. And these are my prized collection of tomato plants because I grew them from the scratch. And you know what I call them? It's called table to the farm. It's the opposite, right? Not farm to the table, remember? It's table to the farm because I got these seeds of the grape tomatoes that I bought from the store and just sprinkle them here, and just so good they are that all these plants just sprouted and sprouted and sprouted, and I really don't know what to do with them. Look at these, all these plants, all these tomatoes. I thought they were grape tomatoes, but somebody told me they are San Marzanos, especially from Italy apparently. These are the products of Table to Farm. Look at them, look at them, just look at them, just look how beautiful they are. Sorry. Nice, aren't they? Look at that. There, that's my green